Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video, my great pleasure to share with you unboxing and first look of a new Emerson knife that I got. This is the Emerson Knives Combat Systems Fighter, and I'm really happy that one of my good friends could find this one here inside the European Union. So I got it with his help without any major problems and huge waiting time and so on. So thank you very much for that. And now let's talk about this great knife. So inside we have the tactical baggie, and yeah, famous in the worst places. Really nice Emerson pamphlet, printed on a really nice piece of paper. So here he's describing how the wave feature functions and what kind of edges he is using. So mostly you will find this V-grounded blade with the chisel edge. Some knives with like the CQC7 will have a true chisel edge, how to hone it, and all around nice informations right there. And also we are getting a really nice sticker, so 100% made in the USA. Okay, so let's talk about this beautiful knife. So the Combat Systems Fighter. This is the Stonewashed version. The model number is KN-CSF-STW. Like Mr. Ernest Emerson is describing on the website, it is a simple fighter and is a brutally elegant knife. I can only agree with this statement. It fits the handle really nicely. Let's talk a little bit about the design. So if you know Emerson knives, this is an amalgamation of two different knives. One is the Tiger, which has the same blade. The Tiger is then also a evolution of the CQC8, which I have right here. So as you can compare, the blades look similar, but the Combat System Fighter is also, the Tiger has a wider blade, as you can see right here. And the handles are from the Emerson Row House, which the Tiger has this double guard configuration, so not only in the front but also in the back. So for some people that can be a little problematic, which have a larger hand, like for me example. So he designed this probably to be available to all shapes and sizes of hand, because if you have XL size hand, you will definitely don't want anything to sticking out and poking into your palm. So that is really great that Mr. Ernest Emerson did design this knife, in which he took two of really great knives and molded them, or let's say three knives, and molded them together into one. So the prototype was released in 2013, and the first limited run was in 2014. So after that, he released this one in batches as a regular production. And as you can see here, there is no year laser engraved, so this means this knife was produced after 2015, and the MAI has the serial number 0364. So not that much of them were made. And if you go to his website, you can put your email into the waiting list, and when a new batch will be produced, then you will be notified. The price, let me give it up front, is 271.99 $0.95 US dollars. Sadly, Emerson does not offer any of his knives through dealers. So currently, that is 2023, you have to go to his website and buy your Emerson knives directly, or you can check out the secondary market like eBay, forums, and Emerson groups. Okay, let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a 22.3 overall length, that is 8.8 inches. The blade length is 9.4 centimeters or 3.7 inches. The blade width is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Our handle length is 13 centimeters or 5.1 inches with a thickness of 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. That is without measuring the pocket clip width. On the blade, we have true and tested 154 cm, which is the preferred stainless steel that Emerson knives is using. This one has the two-tone finish, so you have nice stone wash on the flats and belt satin finish on the grind. On the handles, we have that really grippy and almost sandpapery textured G10. Please keep that in mind, so it will attract lint and dirt, of course, so you have to be prepared for that. Or you can buy yourself a secondary market or aftermarket scales. Liners, we have titanium liners with a titanium liner lock. They are not skeletonized open pillar construction, which nowadays all new Emersons will come, so there is no backspacer action going on anymore. For the opening, we have the patented wave feature or the Emerson thumb disc. This is a nice way how to customize it. You can put definitely a different aftermarket thumb disc, or you can make your own. Depends on how handy you are with the file and some metal saw. The weight comes at 171 grams or 6 ounces. Like I mentioned, the handle is really nice, almost 100% neutral, and will fit really nice a wide range of sizes. I have XL size hands, so I have a little bit more place available, but also in reverse grip. Great. For the pocket clip, we have the traditional 3-screw Benchmade pocket clip, which is medium to really stiff, and we have the embossed or engraved Emerson logo. Now, like I mentioned, this knife was bought on the secondary market, so used but in mint condition, so the sharpness is really nice. Could use a little bit of touch-up, but nothing problematic right there. Okay, now let me show you the pocket profile. So keep in mind that the G10, which currently is Emerson using, is really coarse and grippy, so it can potentially shred your pocket, but this way it will also stay inside your pocket and you will not lose your almost $300 knife. Right out of the box, let me show you the lock engagement. So this is really nice and early. In the past, lots of users had problems with the travel of the lock, and that Emerson knives were locking up really late, and almost by flicking out of your pocket, the liner did go all the through the other side. I did not had this problem with this one. And the detent ball is really nice and crisp, so that will probably go away after some use. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So here is the CQC-8, which is a larger knife, of course. And here is my user, the regular size Commander, which they look almost the same size. CQC-7. .710 from Benchmade. Strider SMF. If you don't have that much money, then check out the Cold Steel Recon, which in my opinion is a really excellent tactically oriented EDC knife, lightweight, so you have no liners inside, backlock construction with triad lock, extremely robustly made, and nowadays you are getting much better steels than in the past. So this one had the OS8, now they're using S35VN or CTX-SHP with nice DLC coating. The old ones had the Teflon paint, which would rub off without any problems, but still amazing knife. So check them out if you like. I highly recommend them. Also, one of the newest versions of the Burger Plus Automatic Kalashnikov 101. This is the 2.0 version, which is a little bit larger knife. But if you're looking for a large, robust flipper tactical knife with a glass breaker, then check out also this knife. I really enjoyed to carry it, and yeah, what to say more. D2 blade. Okay, now let's continue with some other well-known knives. And you see the size comparison. So here is the red model 1. Let's do a couple more. So here is the full-sized Griptilian. Here is the Spyderco Endura, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, Benchmade Bug Out, Rough Rider Peanut, .940 from Benchmade, and let's close it out with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so what to say overall, I'm really happy that I could add to my collection another beautifully designed and functional Emerson. I'm still looking for the Iron Dragon, which is one of my Grail Emerson knives. So if you know from somebody that is selling one, then just let me know. Write me a comment down below, and if I'm not by the time when I'm watching this video have one, then please let me know, and I will be more than happy to talk about acquiring that knife. Okay, so with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. This was the Emerson Knives Combat Systems Fighter. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate my subscribers letting me know what they think and taking the time watching my videos. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.